Apologies for this video because the board's dirty and kids are loud. Alright, we're going to try and do this video just with me writing. I'm going to do my best handwriting. I'm going to make nice straight lines. I think you're going to like it. This is all about the array of multiplication. And I should stress by saying it's not just any multiplication. Hey, wait a minute. Where's my end? It's 2 by 2. And not just 2 times 2. 2 digits by 2 digits. And you'll see how to solve that in this video. Alright, so let's say you had a simple problem like 23 times 14. Before we continue, we have the ability to show you your host of this video. I'm upside down, I'm sorry. Let's see if I can... Hello. I am your host. Alright, 23 times 14. If you got nauseous there, I apologize. Well, we've been doing this right now with doing the array or area model, whatever you call that. It has everything to do with drawing a rectangle to help you solve this problem. Right? I'm actually going to draw a bigger rectangle. Alright, so you know that from 23 times 14 in previous lessons, you know that the first number we're going to write down on the left side of the rectangle, and the second number, 14, we're going to write on the top of the rectangle. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to break both of those numbers up. So, 23 is 20 and 3. And you're going to split that like that, 23. 14 is going to be 10 plus 4, and you're going to split it that way. So this is your first opportunity to have, call it a window, call it what you want, but we have 4 different boxes now. I'm going to erase the 23 and the 14, just so you can still see it. You know that 20 plus 3 equals 23, and 10 plus 4 equals 14. Now all you have to do is do 4 multiplication sentences here. 20 times 10. 3 times 10. 20 times 4. Notice how I'm pointing to the ones where I'm solving. 3 times 4. You'll see 20 twice, you see 3 twice, you see 4 twice, you see 10 twice. Right? Answers to those problems are 200, 30, 80, and 12. What do you think you have to do here now that you have all those answers to these problems? That's right, you have to add them up. So you'll get 200 plus 80, 30, and 12. When you add all of this up, you get 342. And that would be your answer to 23 times 14. All right, let's try another problem now. 36 times 74. And we'll go through this one step at a time. If you want to work on your own problem, you can watch this spot of the video. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds to show you exactly how to go through the steps of the problems. You draw your rectangle first, right? Next, you're going to write the numbers on the side and on the top. So 36 goes on the left side, 74 goes on the top. Next, you're going to split both numbers. 36 is 30 plus 6, and split that. 74 is 70 plus 4. You can split that. Here are your steps so far. The fourth thing you're going to do is you're going to solve 4 multiplication problems. And what I mean by that is, we'll go back to our chart, right? You can see the problems that we have here. We have, I'm going to erase this, 30 times 70. 30 times 4. 6 times 70. 420. And 6 times 4. You can see that you're doing the 30 times the top, 30 times the 4. And then you do the 6 times the top, 70, 6 times the 4. You do that in that box right here. The fifth step is to add all 4 products together. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So we go back to our square, our rectangle, is this is a product, this is a product, this is a product, and that's a product. You have to add all of those up. I'm going to add it on the left side. I don't like this weird glare that's going on over here. Right? So we add 2,100, 420, 120, 24, and that is going to be our answer here, 2,664. If you want to check your work, you can always estimate, right? This would round to 40, this would round to 70. The estimation answer is 2,800. They are pretty close to one another. So if you have a question on how to solve it, here are 5 steps for you to do when you're multiplying 2-digit times 2-digit numbers with the area model. You can come back to here, or you can start the video at 350 and just put any old numbers in there that you want, right? I have you solve this one on your own right now. So I want you to pause the video and try to solve this problem using the array model. After you're done, resume the video and see if you got it right or not. So the answer to this problem is 3,120. You can look at all the steps that I have on my whiteboard right here. And hopefully you got the right answer. If you got 3,120, good job. You probably did all the steps correctly. All right. If you did not, I guess kind of look and see where was your mistake here. What did you do wrong? Was it a fact mistake? Was it a zero mistake? Did you line it up right? Hopefully you solved your problem and you could figure it out on your own. All right, you can figure out what you did wrong, and you can correct that for next time. What I'd like you to do right now is I'm going to give you 2 more problems. I'm not going to give you the answers for them because I want you to solve them both. You can write them as problem A and problem B, right? Call it prob A, prob B. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to solve these, and I'd like you to hand them in. And when your teacher has an opportunity, your teacher will check them and see how well you did and how well you are at following the instructions of the videos here. All right, 52 times 93. Let's get out of that glare. And we'll do 64 times 17. All right, so problem A and problem B, solve them both and hand them in. I will show you that you can look at both this video, rewind this video to help you, or you can even look at the steps right here to help you solve it. All right? So, good luck. I'll give you an upside down high five. Right? Here I am. Hi, upside down. Good luck. Go for it.